Hello students. Children, our lesson number 1 in history, where, when and how is going on. And last time we have discussed about this. We have started the topic sources of information. And in this, in previous video, we have learnt about the official records. Okay. Now today I will tell you about the literary sources. This is also the part of sources of information. Literary sources means sources which are related with the literature. Okay. Now children, we have innumerable literary sources of this period, comprising of journals, newspapers, plays, novels, letters, diaries, biographies and autobiographies. Even newspapers are the very important source of this, very important literary source of modern period. Now look, newspapers like Hindu, Amrita Bazaar, Patrika, Kesari were very popular, were published and were very popular among the Indians in that time. And what the role of the newspapers in that time? Role of newspapers is that to criticize someone openly. आपके घर पे न्यूज़पेपर्स आते हैं तो थ्रू द न्यूज़पेपर्स what you get the information through the newspapers, and newspapers plays an important role to criticizing some policies. So newspapers are the sources which can enhance the value of the thing, the value of the person, the value of the policies, or it can also degrade the particular policy, strategy और personality. So जो आज के टाइम में न्यूज़पेपर्स का रोल है वही उस टाइम पे न्यूज़पेपर्स का रोल होता था. In today's age, so many newspapers are running all over the India, but in that time few of the newspapers like Hindu, Amrita Bazaar or Kesari were mostly were the prominent newspapers in that time. Then plays, dramas जो होते थे, plays, dramas, novels, letters, diaries, biographies and autobiographies were also the popular literary sources. इसमें हमारे जो Rabindranath Tagore, art poet Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, they wrote all the literary sources mostly in Bangla. Rabindranath Tagore, they also wrote our national anthem. I think मेरे ख्याल से ये कोई बताने वाली बात नहीं है. आप डेली नेशनल एंथम स्कूल में संग करते हो तो आपको मालूम ही होगा that national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. तो Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, they were the prominent, they were the most popular poet of that time, and they wrote most of their books in Bangla. Okay. Children, look these terms very carefully because it can be I will be give you in test even. Okay, and these are the name of some literary poets. Okay, and in which language they have written these literary sources. This is very important. Children, I just now I told you that Rabindranath Tagore and Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, they were the prominent, they were the most famous poet of Bengal, poets from Bengal. So they both have written literary sources mostly in Bangla language. Now look, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Bangla language. Then Vishnu Shastri Chiplankar, he wrote in Marathi because he was a Marathi writer. Then Bhartendu Harishchandra, Hindi writer. इनके नाम से ही आपको लग रहा होगा भारतेंदु हरिश्चंद्र. Okay. Subramanyam Bharti, Tamil writer, and Sharat Chandra Chatterjee was also a Bangla writer, but he wrote about the poor and oppressed people of rural India. Okay, इनके सिवा most of we have diaries, we have novels, we have biographies, and most of the autobiographies are also the literary sources which we have right now, and these are also the most important sources of information of modern history. Okay, now beside literary sources, photographs, paintings, art, piece of art, culture, the dance, the clothing sense, this also give us information about that particular time. Look, photographs, paintings, maps, and statues are also important sources of information of this period, that, as I told you just now. They give us glimpse of society. Why these are the important sources of information? Because they give us glimpse of society, culture, लाइफ स्टाइल, ड्रेस. क्यों हमें उस टाइम के बारे में पता लगता है कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कल्चर was in the form that time, what type of dress the people of that time wore, what type of lifestyle they lived. Okay, allowing us to understanding how Indian society and culture was getting understood due to the British influence. This is the most important line, children. Understanding how Indian society and culture was getting understood due to the British rule. Here, when the Britishers were not the part of our country, when we were not the slaves of the Britishers, जब तक Britishers हमारे कंट्री में उन्होंने रूल करना शुरू नहीं किया था, we were having our own individuality. हमारा अपना कल्चर था, हमारे अपने ट्रेडिशंस थे. Whatever we wore, that was our dressing, that was our unique dressing sense. Okay, जो भी लाइफ स्टाइल हमारा होता था, तो उससे बहुत सारे जो अदर कंट्रीज के रूलर्स आए थे वो इन्फ्लुएंस हुए थे हमारे लाइफ स्टाइल से. बट व्हेन द ब्रिटिशर्स केम इन आवर कंट्री एंड दे स्टार्टेड रूलिंग ओवर अस, उन्होंने हमारे लाइफ स्टाइल को चेंज करना शुरू कर दिया था. और वी ऑल्सो वर वेरी मच इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय देयर ड्रेसिंग सेंस. हम लोग क्या पहनते थे, साड़ीज. और पर वो जो उनका वेस्टर्न लाइफ स्टाइल था कि वो उनका पैंट्स और कोट्स वगैरह पहनते थे, या लेडीज उनकी गाउन्स पहनती थी, तो उन्होंने अपने कल्चर में हम लोगों को ढालना शुरू कर दिया था. एंड वी इंडियंस ऑल्सो वर वेरी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द लाइफ स्टाइल ऑफ ब्रिटिश culture. So the lifestyle, the dressing sense, the culture, the traditions were also the very important source of information of this time. Okay, so the topic which we have covered today, that is the literary sources, which one of the means of source of information. Okay, in next video I will discuss about the surveys and census, and the last topic of the lesson is oral history. Okay, now today whatever I explained to you, whatever I have taught you, just watch the video, listen the explanation very carefully, and read the subject matter which is given in your book. बहुत ज़्यादा टफ नहीं है. लिटरेरी सोर्सेज का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो भी मैंने आपको दिया, अगर उसको आपने ध्यान से सुना है, उसके बाद बुक में एक रीडिंग ले ली है, तो आई एम वेरी श्योर द कंसेप्ट विल बी 100% क्लियर टू यू. इवन देन इफ यू हैव एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम, प्लीज मेक मी अ कॉल. ओके, एंड प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर टेस्ट ऑल्सो. साथ साथ अपने आप को टेस्ट के लिए प्रिपेयर करते चलिए, बिकॉज नाउ द टेस्ट विल बी ऑनलाइन. तो रीड ईच एंड एवरी लाइन वेरी माइन्यूटली. मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक, कोई भी पैराग्राफ, कुछ भी आपको लेसन में लीव नहीं करना है. इवन आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग ऑन द बोर्ड एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग थ्रू द वीडियो. ओके, तो एटलीस्ट आप लोग इतना तो कर सकते हो अपने लिए, नॉट फॉर मी, नॉट फॉर अदर टीचर्स. Do it just for you only. Okay, now we will meet soon in next video. Till then, goodbye.